Hi kids, I'm Coda Boy. In the last video, we looked at the first 10 code blocks of looks, and today we will learn about the rest. So let's get started. Our first code block for today is Change Color Effect by. This block has a drop down menu with several options to change the sprite's visual effect. The first option is Color. I'm keeping the value of 25. When we run this code block, our sprite will change its color. To bring the sprite back to its original state, you have two options. You can insert the same value you used with a minus sign. For example, if you use 25, you can use minus 25 to reverse the effect. The second option is Clear Graphic Effects block. When you click it, all the graphic effects on your sprite will be cleared. Other effects you can try in the Change Effect by block include Fish Eye, makes a sprite appear as if it's underwater. World, make the sprite's image win. A positive value will make it spin to the left and a negative value will make it spin to the right. There are more options which you can explore. The next block is Set Effect to. This block has the same effect options as Change Effect by. The key difference is that Change keeps adding the value you provide to the current effect, while Set fixes the effect at a specific value. For example, if you run Set Pixelate Effect to 50, it will immediately fix the blurriness at that exact level. However, if you repeatedly run Change Pixelate Effect by 50, your sprite will get more blurry. Next, we have the Show and Hide code blocks. The Hide block will make your sprite disappear from the screen, and the Show block will make it reappear. The next code block is Go to Front Layer. This block's drop-down has two options, front and back. To understand how this works, let's add another sprite, a fish, and place it in front of our crab. If we select the crab and run Go to Front Layer, the crab will instantly move in front of the fish. And if we select Go Back Layer, then the crab will move behind the fish. A more advanced version of this is the Go Forward Layer block. When there are more than two sprites, with this block you can specify exactly how many layers forward or backward a sprite should move. For example, if you have a crab, a jellyfish, and a shark, and you want the crab to move to 2 layers forward, you can set the value to 2. After running the block, the crab will be in front of the two sprites but will still be behind the one sprite positioned in front of it. Finally, the costume number, backdrop name, and size blocks are useful for getting information about the sprite and backdrop. Ticking the checkbox next to any of these blocks will display the relevant information on the stage. So friends, that's all for our looks code blocks. You should review all these code blocks, practice it and enjoy. And I will see you in the next video.